Looking for the best washing machines to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. Samsung Bespoke AI All-in-One Vented Combo. This Samsung earned the Good Housekeeping seal, thanks to its speed, large capacity, and strong overall performance. I previously tested and liked the ventless version, but this new vented model is much faster, washing a full cotton load in 42 minutes and a smaller one in just 28. It also earned excellent stain removal scores in our tests and was about as gentle on fabrics as other combo units. The vented design made the biggest difference when it came to drying. An 8-pound cotton load was done and ready to fold in under an hour. It has no shortage of features either, including 23 wash programs, like a less microfiber cycle designed to help reduce microplastics, 2 bulk dispensers that can store and dispense enough detergent for up to 47 cycles, and an AI energy mode that automatically adjusts settings to save power. The 7-inch touchscreen is easy to navigate, and the app makes it simple to start or monitor cycles remotely. The self-cleaning lint filter is a nice touch, too. With a 5.3 cubic foot drum, it can handle larger loads, though I do wish the door opening were a bit wider. Number 2. GE Profile Top Load Washer. This GE Profile Top Loader stands out for its large capacity and excellent stain removal. In our tests, it delivered fast cycle times across the board, completing 8 and 12-pound loads on the normal cycle in 42 minutes and finishing a 3-pound load on the fast cycle in just 25 minutes. It also did a solid job removing excess water at the end of each cycle, helping to shorten overall drying time. While it wasn't as gentle on fabrics as some other models, its cleaning power and speed were consistently impressive. It also scored well for ease of use. The control panel is clearly labeled and simple to navigate, and the lid opens and closes smoothly. With its combination of strong performance, quick cycles, and user-friendly design, this model is a reliable choice for anyone looking for a high-performing impeller-style top loader. Number 3. Equator Advanced Appliances Electric Stacked Laundry Center. When we used this washer with laundry pods, we found that it removes stains and odors from our laundry with a single cycle and pod. It also has a compartment for detergent and fabric softener, which we use specifically for delicate items like silk sheets, which came out great. While we were initially concerned that this washing machine would be too small, our load sizes were ultimately manageable. We did complete more loads per week, but each load came out cleaner than it would with our old washer, and we preferred running and folding several small loads compared to one, very daunting, mountain of laundry. After we installed this stackable washer and dryer set at home, we were immediately impressed with the user-friendly controls that let us select the precise cycle we needed without any confusion or time-consuming learning curve.